Menopause can be quite a difficult period of time in a woman's life. It's a major change. There are some symptoms that can really be bothersome, such as sleep disturbances and hot flushes.
I guess I was lucky or maybe took the right precautions, but I've had quite mild symptoms. When I think about my mom and my aunt, they really didn't talk about menopause. I'm in business, so I'm in meetings a lot, I'm around lots of people, and when you feel a hot flash coming on, you feel very self-conscious and, quite frankly, quite uncomfortable. There were times where I've also had sleeplessness.
Women can do a number of things to reduce the severity of symptoms of menopause. They consist mostly of lifestyle changes, which are quite beneficial. Diet and exercise. Also, there are some products that can be used to alleviate some of the symptoms.
I really began to seek information first from my pharmacist and my naturopath, and then my friends. I started to change my diet, did a lot more exercise. I started to explore natural health products as well.
There are a number of important considerations when seeking to ease your hot flushes. Find the options that address your hot flushes directly. A targeted approach will benefit you in the long run.
For some individuals, it may be important to ensure that the natural health products they're taking contain naturally sourced, organic, and GMO-free ingredients.
I take a product called Avogel Menopause to help with my hot flashes. Whenever I can't sleep, I turn to Deep Sleep, a naturally sourced sleep aid made with valerian and hops.
For hot flashes, try a product made from fresh Salvia officinalis, a specific type of sage. When your sleep is affected, my recommendation is a product that will enhance your sleep quality. Try those made with hops and valerian.
I think the combination of good nutrition, exercise, and the natural health products, I've really seen a difference in my symptoms.
Find out more about natural health products for menopause symptoms, including hot flashes. Visit your local pharmacy and go to a.vogel.ca.